Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove unused wallpaper on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do to remove the unused wallpaper you have on your iPhone is swipe down the control center, then press and hold it. Click on customize. Once you press and hold it, then you should see all other wallpapers you have here. Now to delete them, all you simply need to do is swipe up on the wallpaper and then choose trash. Then you should say delete this wallpaper. Now you want to repeat this on all the wallpapers you want to remove on your iPhone. So like this. And that is it. So once you're done, select the wallpaper you want to use. And then you should see all other selected wallpaper deleted. So that's exactly how to remove unused wallpaper on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.